Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will create a simple KivyMD application with a button that when pressed, a bottom sheet containing a list of options. For that, we have to follow some steps. Step 1. Import the necessary modules. There are some modules that we have to import in it. Let's see. And second step is define the UI using the Kivy language. And third step is create the main application class. And fourth step is define method to show the bottom sheet. Method to show the bottom sheet when button is pressed. Then we'll create an instance of MD list bottom sheet. And next step, that is fifth, populate the bottom sheet with data. Data to be displayed in the bottom sheet like WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, share. Okay. And the sixth step is open the bottom sheet. When we press the open bottom sheet button, when we click that button, it will open the bottom sheet. You will see in the video. And the seventh step is define method to handle the selected option. When we select any of the option like WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, then we will print a statement like selected options will be printed. If you choose Facebook, then it will print a you have selected option Facebook. Okay. Now, eighth step is main execution block that will run our app. It is our last step of our application. If we run this step, then our application will be wow. You can see in the video. Let's see.